there's a huge open source community all around the world, and hopefully you guys can join in on, where there's approximately 2.2 million open source models that people have built and trained and put up out there onto the internet that you can use. And you can use those AI models on your own laptop in applications that you build. So it's really powerful stuff. There's a huge community. You don't just have to use the latest Gemini, ChatGPT models. You can use all of these open source models that are free. Free not just once, not just for a 3-month period or 1,000 credits. They're free forever. So this is the value of open source AI.